Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix none option not showing on Apple ID. So guys, when you have want to change your country or region on App Store and facing the issue that none option not showing, I'll help you how to get that option. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if you are using mobile data, you have to turn on your mobile data. And guys, after connecting, simply you need to click on your Apple ID name and you need to click on media and purchases. And guys, here is the option of view account. Simply you have to click on this tab. And guys, after this you need to wait for some seconds. So guys, as you can see here, page is on loading. So guys, simply you have to wait for more seconds. And guys, now you will see here the option of country and region. You need to click on that button. And guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, as you can see here, page is on loading. So guys, simply you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, as you can see, here is the option of change country and region. Simply you need to click on this, and guys, from here you need to select your country or region. So guys, as you can see here, I have selected randomly. Click on agree, and guys, after this you need to wait for some seconds. So guys, here you can see here is the option of none. So guys, maybe there is problem on your country or region. Simply you have to change your country and region, and guys, after this you will be able to get your none option from here. So guys, if not find still, then you need to go back. So guys, simply you have to click on Apple Sport app and select your gadget here, scroll it below, click on more, and guys, click on App Store. And after this you have to wait for some seconds. And guys, you need to click on call, and guys, you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.